Hey everyone, it's Ken Brown with Ken Brown Consulting. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the free version of Elementor. In subsequent videos in the future, I'll actually show you how to upgrade the free version to the pro version, in which we'll be utilizing some of the pro version for later tutorials. So without further ado, let me show you how to quickly install Elementor on WordPress. So as you can see, I'm in my dashboard. You'll want to click Plugins. Click Add New, and you're going to want to type in Elementor in the keyword search box. And then you'll want to select the Elementor Page Builder and click Install Now. And then activate Elementor. And that's it.